Do it. Do it. Do it. Do it.
The joker, low potential, straight mediocre, class clown, sneak off out the back door, long hair, leave a grease spot on the blackboard. Come on, honey, take off the bra. He's trying to hit a home run in your mom's garage. He loved graffiti, it opened him, creeped down the alley with a can of Rust-Oleum. Canvas, that flat surface, he'll learn quick to control the nervousness. If it ain't building, he burnt the bridge, and no, he don't give a damn what the curfew is. Chased away all the saving grace, while them old folks bitch about the way he's raised. Southside, mini atmosphere, get you running from the cops just for practice here. Well, what do you know? He got older, trying to apply what childhood showed him. Everybody left out in that cold to try to learn how to manage all the weight on his shoulders. We all want the easy life, just a piece of the pie that'll keep us high. So turn it up until the speakers cry, and don't quit till you reach the sky. Come on.